Hi there. Today I will share an update about a project that I have completed 2 weeks ago. This client is using ClickFunnels, and the main event they want to track is the purchase event because they have different types of funnels and they have different types of upsells and downsells as well, and they just want to track the purchase event, and that is their main focus. Now, when I started their work, the main issue was with the event match quality score. And here you can see the before condition. It was the condition for like February 12 to March 11 because I completed that project on March 14 or 15 as far as I know. So here you can see the client had a page view lead and checkout and the purchase event. They were tracking the pixel and conversion API way, but their event match quality score was 4.4 out of 10 for the purchase. So that was very bad, and the scope of the project was to increase the event match quality score overall. So now I have actually used fully Google Tag Manager to set up everything. So I removed all their existing setup, and I actually moved all their setup to Google Tag Manager. So all the tags that you can see here, it was actually added brand new. And here is the web GTM container. You can see different types of tags here I have used so that I can track purchase, schedule, then lead and other events. Here you can see the the server GTM container and the server GTM tags here, and we are using Stape obviously as our server. Now, the difficult thing with tracking the purchase events is that, like, if you track the purchase event based on the page views, then the same participant can fire double or triple time if people actually refresh the page. So, but like in ClickFunnel, we have a like advantage because ClickFunnel provides a data layer. So let's say whenever people actually do a successful purchase, ClickFunnel sends you a CF purchase event. It is a data layer event because it is coming through the data layer push method, as you can see. And whenever people submit the form on ClickFunnel, ClickFunnel provides you CF lead event. So I have used these two triggers to track the lead and purchase event. And even if you just see the lead, like the CF purchase data layer event, here you can see all the parameters. So that means like we don't have to track the customer information. I mean, first name, last name, email, and phone number separately through the custom JavaScript. We are using CF purchase for the trigger, and we are tracking these parameters for customer information parameters so that we can get a good event match quality score. The difficult thing is that like here we don't have a value, so ClickFunnel doesn't provide the value like the total value or transaction value, anything on the data layer. So that was the most difficult part, but here I have used some custom JavaScript in WebGTM container, and that's how I have been tracking the value dynamically. So we are tracking the value from checkout, and then we are passing it to thank you page to the local storage method. And in some cases, I have used the static value. So that's how everything is working. If I want to show the after condition, so here you can see March 13 to March 16. So that was the after condition. So now you can see here the lead event was 9.2 and the purchase it was 9.3 because we have sent the customer information parameters. I can also show you the current score here. So this is the current score today. It's March 28, as you can see here. And now you can see the event match quality score is for the lead that they have like 9.2. Then for the checkout they have 6.8. That is also good, no issues. For the purchase they have 8. You know, whenever you do not receive like enough purchases from the ad, then the score can actually like fluctuate. So that's why it is 8 because they have received the last event one day ago. But if they receive any other event like let's say tomorrow or the next day, and if that conversion is from the ad, then obviously it will be 9.3. So yeah, everything looks good for ClickFunnel, and that was actually the project update. And I have also submitted the project and everything is good. So just did the follow up today and just letting you everyone about the project. Thanks. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask.